Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the West Fork San Gabriel River. Out here fly fishing. See what we can catch. Got a dry fly in there. So I haven't been fly fishing for long. It's actually my third time. Third or maybe fourth time I actually fly fish, so that shit is not easy, let me tell you. That's what I'm using right now. Since I'm new to this fly fishing, what do you guys recommend? Heading more down that way or just going this way? I actually never went that way too far in. I've gone a couple miles in that way. First time I actually came out here to fly fish. But I don't know, I might just go back that way again. I could hit that side some other time. I have yet caught a fish on the fly, so bear with me. 7:40, not that much people here. I believe I've only seen 3 cars in the parking lot, so it's very empty over here. Last time I came over here, it was blown out with people here. I had to go a couple miles in. I believe it's Second Bridge. Oh, I got caught up right there. See if I can get to that rock. Oh man. Maybe get to this one. Hopefully this shit don't move. Alright. Let's get it going right here. Look at it over here. It's extremely nice. So you guys let me know what you guys normally use for fly fishing. Any advice? I have yet seen a fish. Alright, I've been fly fishing for a while, so I switched to this trout magnet, or magnet trout, whatever you want to call it. I might move the bobber a little higher. It's about 1.5 feet. But let's go ahead and we'll figure it out. Been 2 hours over here, so I don't want to waste too much time over here. Got maybe an hour left. So I have not yet seen a fish, bro. I don't know what's going on. So hopefully up there we'll find something. I made it to the first bridge. This is kind of where you want to be at. Setting up the fly rod, it's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna go ahead and find a good spot rather just chill at. But right now I'm walking under the bridge. Alright, switch back to the fly. See if get a fish here. Let me see if I could try to catch a fish for you guys. Getting pretty hot. I got things to do later on today, so 3 hours it is. Here I did not see not one fish. I know they might be out there, but I believe there's more higher up by that bridge. I seen way more.